So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. And guys, please do watch the video till end, because after that only you will be understanding as to what is happening in the market and how you can take trades tomorrow, because till now our expectations are going great. Like yesterday, whatever we had analyzed perfectly, in that manner only market has moved and we had booked good amount of profit. So please do watch the video till end, and at the end we are also going to share 2 stocks for the tomorrow's trading, and do like the video. So as we had talked, that market has faced resistance and a swing movement till this support is possible. So look, the movement has started. You can see another lower closing today. Market has given us another lower closing, and the swing that we had talked about is looks like there in the market, and it is coming, right? So yeah, it is going good for us till now. Let's see how till when market continues the swings, whether market is going to touch exact this level or going to revert back before that, because we need to be very careful about it, because the thing is that you can see a lot of time market has not given us closing right at support. The last time market has came down, you can see market had reverted from here, once taken support over here, you can see with the wick itself, and then again you can see markets making a wick near the level, and then market didn't came back. So looks like market is trying to again come back, but this time also you need to be very aware of it, that market might touch the market with a wick and then can again move upside. So be prepared for that type of swing also, right? So anybody who has waiting with the swing trade, waiting the market to go to the support, please do remember this thing. And apart from the intraday traders and scalpers, it's not a very hectic day for us. Like whatever we talked about, market has reacted accordingly. You can see the market at support, but I will take you to the 15-minute chart to show you the exact movement in the market and how our analysis was just perfect for today's market. You can see that yesterday I had made this pattern and told you that this line is going to be resistance and market can fall from here, and today you can see this is the opening market has given. You can see market was at the resistance itself, and the right time to short the market, because 2 candle continuously had faced the resistance on the 15-minute chart. You must have shorted the market here, and then you can see how good the profit was, right? So yeah, then market consolidated near the support zone, so obviously you had to book the profit right here. And if anybody after market giving us a closing below this level has shorted the market, didn't do the wrong thing, because you can see the last 1 hour market has stayed below this support. So yeah, there was weakness, though market was not able to fall below further, but still there was weakness in the market. As you can see, last 1 hour market has been there below the support level and facing resistance at that level, right? So yeah, definitely tomorrow, if we don't see market going upper than this level, and if market stays below this level for 15 minutes or half an hour, then you can again short the market and you can take the trade till here. But remember guys, this particular level is a really huge support for the market. This level is a good support. It is not going to be easy for market to break below this. So yeah, once market starts reaching near to this level, that was the smart move will be to book the profit near this level. Don't wait for market to come and exactly give you closing on that level, because this level is a good support, right? This level is a good support level, and market can take a strong support over here, right? And once market gives you break below this, then oh my god, then again you can take a good short trade, because this is important level. If this breaks down, then market will fall further, right, to take the support on the monthly support level. So I hope there is no issue with any one of you in taking trade based upon these levels, because look how goodly these levels are working, and I think you guys are able to take nice and good trades. So I hope there is not an issue for anyone regarding taking trades in the Nifty 50 or in the Bank Nifty as well, because in the Bank Nifty also we have marked the level and market is moving up in between those levels only, so it is easy to take trades, right? And you can see again a swing movement is there in the Bank Nifty as well. As we had talked, the resistance has been faced and market was definitely trying to move towards the support level, and you can see that swing has started. The market has started that movement towards the support level. So I hope you got this perfectly, right? And if I'll show you the movement on the shorter time frame as to how market has reacted, then you can see yesterday's closing right on the support. I have told you if market breaks below, then you can go short. If you don't wait for, I have always told you, don't wait for the confirmation on the hourly chart, because then you'll lose the big part of the movement, right? Major of the movement part will be gone. You can see first 15-minute chart, and first 15-minute chart also you can see market has given closing and below the support, below that support level. So that was the right time, or even you could have took the trade based upon the 5-minute candle also. You can see the first 5-minute candle was also below the support level, and after an indecision this candle was made. So this was the right time to go short in the market, and you could have easily captured the movement till the support level. But remember one thing, Bank Nifty has given us a closing above this support level, and Nifty 50 is also almost near that level. So tomorrow for the intraday traders and scalpers, tomorrow opening is going to be huge. If market opens or goes below this particular level in the Bank Nifty as well as that particular level in the Nifty 50, then you can again short the market. Until don't short the market, and once market breaks above and started moving upside, then you can definitely take a long trade to the resistance from which market has came below today, right? So I hope it is a very easy and a cakewalk for all of us nowadays, as market has given us good areas through which we can pick the trade. So I hope you are enjoying that. And about the trades that we have taken on the stocks, both the stocks didn't give us return, but fortunately the main thing is that none of the stock has given us a lot of loss also. So it was like a no profit no loss days. If we talk about just stocks, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, obviously we had great deal of profit, but in the stocks definitely we didn't had that great profits, but no loss also. So yeah, sometimes you have profit, sometimes you have loss, but in our case, we either we have profit or we do not have any profit, right? Loss is not a case with us as of now, so it's good going, right? So now the two stocks that we can take tomorrow trade is the first number one is Device Lab, and it is a good trade in the Device Lab is possible. So Device Laboratories, you can see here I am on the Device Laboratories. I'll show you on the hourly chart why I am telling you it's a good trade. It can be a good trade because you can see a good big pattern has been, a wide pattern has been made by Device Lab. You can see this is the neckline. Market is already above this neckline, but for the safety reason we'll take a trade above the 4375 level. Right now market is standing at the level of near 4366 or 68, whatever the level it is. You should take trade about 4375. Above 4375 you can easily go long on the Device Lab, right? Target and stop loss are very easy to pick. 1% stop loss is always good enough, and 1.5 to 2% are profit is the risk to reward. This risk to reward is good enough. Or if somebody wants to take the trade based upon the pattern, obviously, which is going to be like someone who don't have any kind of money management, those people can take trade based upon the pattern. Once the market goes below this neckline, say 5 or 6 points below this neckline, then you can obviously set your stop losses there, and for the targets you can measure the difference between this neckline and this particular bottom, right? Which is, I think, almost of that's too much. That's almost 200 points difference. So yeah, obviously you should think about it that there are a lot of chances of hitting your stop loss. That's why I have told you that take trade based upon 1% stop loss and 1.5 to 2% of profit, right? So that the risk to reward will be good enough. And the second trade is going to be our Hindu Unilever. So as you can see, this is Hindustan Unilever 1 hour chart, and we have the last indecision candle. So obviously the momentum trade, as we always take, we are going to take the momentum trades based upon the indecision. So you can short sell the Hindustan Unilever below 2490, or either you can go long on the Hindustan Unilever above 2497, right? 2490 below, short sell, 2497 go long, right? So I hope this is a momentum trade. So no doubt about it, this is the momentum trade strategy that we are using in our videos from a long time. So not an issue with all of you. And Device Lab, we have taken trade based upon that simple pattern that has been made by the Device Lab site, right? So profit and profit and stop loss will be very similar to the revised slip. 1% of stop loss we are going to take, and 1.5 to 2% the profit based upon the whatever risk to reward you prefer. So guys, I hope you understood everything and you are enjoying the profits in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I hope that tomorrow both of these stocks also give you good returns. So thank you so much for watching this video till end, everyone. Please do like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.